Hello and welcome to the first video for the Rokis Trio Sewalong. Today I am going to be talking to you all about supplies needed for your Rokis Trio. The first thing is going to be some pattern weights. I recommend those over pins when cutting. You need something to cut with, either a rotary cutter or scissors, and a nice pair of snips for your thread. As far as feet go, the only foot you're going to need is a straight stitch foot. A clear ruler is helpful, and a pencil or your preferred fabric marking device. Matching thread. You are going to need a hand stitching needle. If you have any kind of little tweezers like this, these will be helpful whenever we insert our straps. And of course you need a loop turner or a loop turning technique of choice. And that is pretty much all that we're going to need for this sew along. See you on the next day.